Kerala's healthcare system under scrutiny after tragic death. Kottayam, Kerala. A recent news debate, hosted by Abhijit Varghese, has brought the state of Kerala's healthcare system into sharp focus following the tragic death of a woman named Bindu. Bindu was fatally injured when a building collapsed at Kottayam Medical College. The incident has sparked intense political debate and public concern over the condition of the state's medical infrastructure. The debate, which featured representatives from the major political parties in Kerala, highlighted a number of pressing issues. The Congress party, represented by Abin Varki, criticized the government's response to the tragedy, questioning whether a visit from the health minister to the victim's family was sufficient to address the systemic failures that led to her death. Varki also affirmed the Youth Congress's commitment to continuing their protests against the government, which have included showing black flags to the health minister. In response, P.K. Sanoj of the CPM defended the government's record, arguing that the protests were politically motivated and not a genuine reflection of the family's grief. He pointed to the government's achievements in the healthcare sector, including increased budget allocations and various welfare schemes. The BJP's Shankutti Das, however, argued that such incidents are becoming increasingly common in medical colleges and accused the government of presenting a misleading picture of the healthcare system through statistics and awards, while the reality on the ground is far more dire. He also raised concerns about the underutilization of central government funds allocated for healthcare in the state. The debate also shed light on the dilapidated state of healthcare infrastructure, with Abin Varki pointing to issues such as a lack of fitness certificates for buildings and the continued use of unsafe wards. He also highlighted shortages of essential surgical supplies and medicines, citing reports from the CAG and notices from the National Medical Council. Shankutti Das further elaborated on the decline of the public health sector in Kerala, attributing it to systematic underfunding and planning, which he contrasted with the thriving private healthcare sector. He provided statistics on budget allocation, out-of-pocket expenditure for healthcare, and shortages of doctors and medical staff to support his claims. The debate concluded with the host, Abhijit Varghese, emphasizing the serious issues within the public healthcare sector that need to be addressed.